Most people in this category spend weeks researching and still end up with regret. Not because they made the wrong choice, because nobody told them what actually matters. This review is going to be different. I'm going to tell you the things most reviewers skip. You have probably read the spec sheets. You have seen the star ratings. And you are still not sure. That uncertainty is not a you problem. It is a signal that most reviews are written by people who spent 45 minutes with a product, not 45 days. The question you are really asking is not what this product does. The question is whether it is going to actually change anything for you. That is the question I am going to answer. I tracked this product through multiple price cycles before sitting down to record this. I compared it against the alternatives that serious buyers in this category actually consider. And I looked at what happens after the purchase, not just before. The ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam front and rear, Starvis 2 sensor, free 128 GB card included, 5G Wi-Fi up to 20 megabytes per second, fastest download speed with app, 4K 2160p/FHD dash camera for cars, 3 IPS 24H parking mode earns its place by doing something specific very well. That something starts with brand. Visit the ROVE store. What that means in your day-to-day is that you stop compensating for what your last product got wrong. The second thing worth paying attention to is about this item 4K front plus 1080p rear recording. ROVE R2-4K dual dash cam offers dual channel recording capabilities, capturing footage simultaneously from both the front and rear cameras. The front camera records at 3840x2160p 30 fps, while the rear camera captures 1920x1080p at 30 fps footage, ensuring clear recordings of the road ahead and behind you. With a 150 degrees ultra-wide angle for the front camera and a 140 degrees angle for the rear camera, you'll capture more of the road with this 4K dash cam. Sony Starvis 2 sensor super night vision. Equipped with a Sony IMX675 Starvis 2 image sensor for the front camera, this dash cam delivers exceptional image quality with vivid colors and sharp details, even in challenging lighting conditions. Additionally, the front camera's f1.0.5 aperture and the rear camera's f1.0.8 aperture allow more light to enter the lens, resulting in brighter and clearer recordings, particularly in low-light environments. Ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, up to 20 megabytes per second download speed. With its built-in dual-band 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can use the ROVE Dashcam app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iPhone and Android smartphone. By using the ROVE app, download your recorded videos directly to your smartphone at a speed of up to 20 megabytes per second, and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Additionally, manage camera settings and update the latest firmware over the air via the ROVE app. Camera with GPS. The new front and rear dashcam comes with built-in GPS, which enables you to view real-time live speed and compass on the 3 IPS wide camera screen. It records precise driving routes, locations, and speed stamps directly on the video, so you can watch dashcam videos with GPS data using ROVE's free GPS player on your PC or Mac, and get additional evidence when you need it. Features with state-of-the-art technology included: experience peace of mind with this front and rear car dashcam. It comes with a free 128 GB microSD card and offers advanced features such as an f1.5 aperture, motion detection, G-sensor, seamless loop recording, emergency video lock, screensaver, live speed and compass direction, voice guidance, ring of threads for optional CPL filter, a built-in supercapacitor for extended product life, support for up to 1 TB microSD cards, and many more. Our 24/7 custom-designed parking mode, R2-4K Dual, offers 3 options for its custom-designed 24 hours parking mode with voice guidance: time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. A hardware kit is required. Buy separately ASIN B0B7235VLX. If an event occurs in the park, then the camera will record a full 1-minute video, lock it safely in an event folder, and give you a voice alert the next time you start your car, letting you know that event has occurred while you were away. See more product details. Not in a test environment. In the situations where you actually need it to perform. That difference shows up in ways that are hard to quantify on a spec sheet. The third element is product information, features and specs compatible with vehicle type: bus, car, minivan, SUV, truck connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi, other special features of the product: 5G Wi-Fi, fastest download speed up to 20 megabytes per second, ROVE app for iOS and Android, OTA over-the-air firmware updates, built-in GPS for geotagging, live speed, supercapacitor for higher heat, cold, and longer product life, built-in microphone, speaker, voice guidance, 360 degrees rotation, 150 degrees plus 140 degrees true wide-angle view, free 128 gigabytes memory card included, up to 1 terabyte external storage support, HDR high dynamic range, Sunny Starvis 2 sensor, 2026 Super Night Vision low light capture technology, 3 IPS wider display video capture resolution, 1080p, 2160p mounting type, windshield mount, field of view 120 degrees, control method app, screen size 3.8. If you have ever replaced something ahead of schedule because it stopped holding up, you already understand why this matters more than any single feature. The feedback pattern on this model is unusual in one specific way. Buyers who come in skeptical end up leaving the same reviews as the people who were already excited. That kind of convergence across different buyer types is not something you see often. It tells you something real about consistency of experience. There is one limitation I want you to know before you decide: a price that reflects real value. Not everyone will weigh that the same way, and I understand that. If that specific thing is a deal breaker for your situation, I respect that completely. But for the majority of buyers who are looking at this product, the overall trade-off still lands clearly on the right side. Pricing on this model has not been stable. I have watched it move enough times that I would not trust any number I write here today. The figure you see right now is not what I saw a month ago, and it is probably not what you will see in another month. Sometimes that movement is upward. Sometimes it is a significant discount. The only way to know which side you are on right now is to check the live link. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.